In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV to Supabase. By the end, you'll have a new table created and populated straight from a CSV file, all inside the Supabase dashboard. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Supabase website. From your dashboard, locate the project you want to work with and open it. This takes you into the project workspace where all of your database tools live. On the left-hand side, find the table editor. This is where you can see existing tables and create new ones. Open it, and then choose the option to create a table. You'll see a form where you can define the basics of your new table. Give your table a clear, lowercase name without spaces, like customers or orders, and add a short description so future you and your teammates know what this table is for. Good naming now prevents confusion later. If your project uses multiple schemas, make sure you're creating the table in the correct one, typically public. Now scroll down to the section that lets you import data. Click the option to import data from CSV. Before you select your file, a quick checklist helps avoid hiccups. Make sure your CSV is saved with a header row, the columns have clear names, and fields are consistently formatted. For best results, use UTF-8 encoding, commas as separators, and wrap text that contains commas in quotes. Keep dates in a consistent format such as ISO 86001 and avoid blank columns or mixed data types in the same column. Select your CSV and click Open. Supabase will preview the file and infer column names and data types based on your data. Take a moment to review what it detected. If your first row is the header, confirm that it's being treated as headers, not as data. Check that numeric columns aren't being read as text and that true or false values look correct. If something seems off, it's usually a sign the CSV needs a small tweak like fixing a stray comma or an unexpected character. When everything looks good, proceed to save. Supabase will create the table and import the rows in one go. After it completes, you'll land back in the table editor where you can view the data that was just imported. Skim a few rows to confirm the columns align, dates look right, and there are no empty or mistyped fields. If you spot an issue, it's often fastest to adjust the CSV and repeat the import into a fresh table. That's it. Your CSV is now in Supabase, ready to query, join, and use in your app.